This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. Yeah, there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here, but trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now.
Hey everyone, I'm just coming in to get into 1720 Lombard building, the Big Man Place. This is the new intercom for access to the building. This is the front gate. It's a very secure place. Here is where the delivery guys keep your package for you. There is also a package room on the first floor. That is a package room where the delivery guy can keep your package for you. These are the mailboxes. I'm here to show you a one-bedroom unit on the first floor. All right, now I show you the unit. Unit number is unit 101. As you walk in, this is the living space. It has hardwood floor and a big window for a natural light. Over there you have your kitchen and also a small closet space here. In the kitchen, you have storage cabinet, a gas oven and cooktop, a garbage disposal, a refrigerator. This is the view from this angle. Here on my right, you have your bedroom. See, hardwood floor. This is the bedroom. You have a window for a natural light. Over there, you have closet space. Here. Here. The place has central heat and air thermostat to control the temperature. This door, this is the kitchen. This door is where you takes you to the bathroom. You have a nice tile floor in a bathroom, tile wall, bathtub shower combo. You have toilet, vanity. You have a medicine cabinet. Alright, I just showed you a 1-bedroom unit inside 1720 Lombard Street. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching.